The new standard of construction has arrived. Welcome to CE's Experience Office in Aurangabad, a space designed around transparency, trackability, and speed. More than an office, this is a command center for modern project delivery, built for leaders who value speed, built for teams that demand precision, built for projects that cannot afford compromise. As comfort experts walk in, they don't just lock in their belongings, they lock into an attitude grounded in ownership, client success, and trust. Because at CE, execution begins long before the work starts on site. This board represents how every CE project moves, from inception to handover, without ever leaving the digital environment. Every zone in this office mirrors a stage in the digital project journey. Today, I'll walk you through how modern projects are actually conceived, coordinated, tracked, and delivered, and how client success is never compromised at CE. Before we begin, take a look at this wall. Some of the world's leading brands have chosen to build with CE, not because we make promises, because we build systems that deliver, which takes us to Zone 1 pre sales, costing, and offer submission. Every project enters CE through a structured digital workflow. If the project begins as a concept, we develop the design, derive quantities, and build the BOQ internally. If the client brings a finalized BOQ, we integrate it directly into our system. In both cases, RFQs are floated, vendor offers are compared, and project costing is logged with precision. Once approved, the budget, execution team, and delivery timeline are digitally frozen into the system. With more than 30 years of execution experience, we know that great projects are built through microscopic planning, which brings me to Zone 2 detailed engineering, planning, and scheduling. Here, projects are broken into manageable execution circuits. Drawings are uploaded, design quantities are calculated, schedules are logged before a single tool is lifted. The project already exists digitally in complete detail. This is where guesswork disappears. Bringing me to Zone 3 supplier finalization. RFQs are generated directly from the project BOQ. Vendors are technically evaluated, commercially compared, and finalized through a disciplined procurement process. Technical data sheets are then submitted for client approval. This zone removes ambiguity completely. Zone 4 material selection. We meticulously categorize and select absolutely everything required for the site, from main billable equipment down to the ancillary materials, tools, safety gear, and even office supplies. Nothing is left to assumption. Zone 5 is where indenting is done. This is the gate between planning and spending. No material moves without an approved indent. No approved indent, no purchase. Simple. Once purchase orders are approved, vendors receive clearly defined documentation protocols in Zone 6, which is ordering. Warranty certificates, test reports, waste slips, O&M manuals. Every delivery must arrive complete, traceable, and accountable. Which brings us to Zone 7, delivery to site. The moment material reaches site, verification begins. Quantity, quality, documentation, everything is checked instantly. Delivery photos are captured. An incoming material report is generated immediately. Invoices are simultaneously logged into Promash and accounting systems. If discrepancies exist, procurement is alerted in real time. No backlog, no blind spots. Before we enter execution, look at the statement behind you. We do not subcontract. World-class quality requires direct responsibility. CE executes projects using its own trained and managed manpower. In an industry known for passing the buck, CE delivers without passing responsibility with 100% ownership, which brings us to Zone 8. Execution begins with daily digital process tracking. Site photos are captured in real time. Install quantities are recorded instantly. Client verify complete work directly against measurable execution. This creates precise billing quantities and complete visibility for all stakeholders. Weekly reports track planned versus actual progress to ensure alignment at every stage. Even unused materials are digitally tracked and redirected to optimize sustainability and reduce waste. Which brings me to Zone 9, completion and handover. This is where execution becomes accountability. Projects are handed over with complete documentations like asset reports, warranty certificates, O&M manuals, final execution records, not just finished projects, fully documented assets. We now pass the manager's cabin, the bridge between operations, execution, and leadership to arrive at the meeting room. The statement on the wall defines everything you've experienced today. Excellence is built through processes, not promises. What you've seen is more than an office. It's CE's operating philosophy made physical. A system designed to bring clarity to construction through intelligent digital workflows, disciplined execution, and complete accountability. CE is here to remove the con from construction, comfort engineers, building a better tomorrow.